So no matter where you get your credit reports and your credit scores, make sure to get the most complete information package that you can. Credit reports are not very exciting to even read. So when ordering one online, make sure that you get one that includes graphs and lots of details that are easy to understand. And make sure to get both your credit scores and your credit reports, even if you have to pay just a little bit more. Because if you just get your credit reports, you're not going to be able to follow the secret complicated math formulas used to arrive at your credit scores. The credit report itself just won't make sense, and if you don't have all the information in front of you, you won't be able to completely understand what exactly is it that you're looking at. Now, when you do get your credit reports, you'll be able to notice that it contains a lot of information about you. And it's going to contain information like your personal contact information. This could include like your name, your addresses, as well as your past and recent ones, your social security numbers, employers, and your date of birth. Credit reports also contain personal information about your credit. A credit report notes all the details of your loans, including the types of loans you've had now and you have recently had, and the dates that these loans were opened, their credit limit on each and every one of those loans, and how well you've been paying those loans back, and who your lenders actually are. It'll also contain information about you, which could be on public record, right? So these are gonna be like bankruptcies, unpaid taxes, unpaid child support, tax liens, your dealings with collection agencies, foreclosures, loan defaults, civil lawsuits that you have been involved in, and other information. So much of this will actually stay on your credit report and will seriously affect your credit score. And last but not least, it'll contain information of who has actually looked at your credit report, right? Or your credit scores. So every time that someone looks at your credit scores, it's called an inquiry. Your credit report lists who has looked at your credit report in the past 2 years and how often you've been applying for loans and credit in that period of time. And remember, guys, that too many inquiries tend to affect your credit scores. So make sure not to be applying too much unless we're strategically doing so. So when you get your credit report, it's important that you look at all parts of your credit report and understand what you're actually reading. Mistakes in any area of your credit report can ultimately affect your credit score. So be sure to check the entire report for any errors or inaccuracies that are holding your scores back. Let me remind you guys that big problems can actually happen. And things like bankruptcies, divorces, lawsuits, non-payment of taxes, these are huge problems that can affect your credit score in a big way. And if you have faced large problems that has ruined your credit report, you need to take action fast and work consistently to boost your FICO score. So if you need professional advice or you need a free consultation by us, feel free to contact us at the number on the screen or the link in the description below to schedule your free credit evaluation. The information that discussed in this video are the very things that we look at with a fine-tooth comb during the credit evaluation to give you a complete, informed decision on what your scores are and what you can potentially take your credit scores to. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.